Why Seagull is your best CQB partner? Measurements: 650 mm in length, weighing 1700, effective firing range of 15 to 20 meters, and customizable velocity from stock 150 to upgraded 300 fps. Customization: fully adaptable with options to modify springs, barrels, stocks, and more to suit your combat style. Slam fire feature for rapid shooting. Compact design enables agility in CQB scenarios. Quiet spring mechanism. Higher investment. Yeah, it's pretty pricey. In essence, the Worker Seagull Nerf blaster ideal for players who love a tactical edge in their Nerf battles and to tinker with their blasters.